Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add subscripts and superscripts in Microsoft Word. It should be very easy to do, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just go ahead and let's just type a number in here, for example 23. We are going to select the home tab, and if you want to add a subscript, click the little subscript button. There is a little X with a 2 underneath of it. Go ahead and select that, and then you can add a subscript like that. And if you want to add a superscript, you would select the X with the 2 above it right next to it, and then you would type that in right next to it. So pretty straightforward process there guys. If I zoom in a little bit more, should be easier to see. And if I did the subscript like I said, you could do subscript as well, so you can do a superscript and a subscript at the same time. Pretty straightforward process here guys. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.